Foreign transaction fees apply when you use your card outside your country or make purchases in a foreign currency. Many people don't notice these fees because they're added quietly to each transaction, but they're usually charged as a percentage of the purchase, often around 2 to 3%. That might not sound like much, but when you're traveling, booking hotels, eating out, or shopping, those fees can add up quickly. Even online purchases from international websites can trigger foreign transaction fees. That's why it's important to check your card's terms before you travel. Look for details about foreign transaction fees in your card agreement or mobile banking app. The good news is that some cards charge no foreign transaction fees at all. Using the right card while traveling can save you a surprising amount of money. A little preparation before your trip can help you avoid unnecessary costs and keep your travel budget under control.